The Lian Li 011 Dynamic Mini Snow White is actually a really sleek and elegant looking case that is perfect for an all-white build. It has a really spacious interior for such a small form case, and it will end up supporting radiators up to 360 millimeters. Lian Li is hands down one of my favorite companies when it comes down to PC components. The Lian Li Strimer Plus ARGB cables are going to make a simple yet very noticeable difference when you're building a computer. Power supply upgrades like this are something that I avoided throughout my first 5 to 10 PC builds, but I can safely say that once you end up getting something like this, you're going to notice a massive difference in the aesthetic portion of the computers that you end up building. Forgot to say to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment.
I hate saying it just as much as you probably hate me saying it, but if I do not say it, like 1% of you will actually do it.
Like, subscribe, leave a comment, all that good stuff. The Asus RTX 3070 Strix white version, this has 8,704 CUDA cores, 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory with a boost clock of 1,115 megahertz. The Lian Li 750 watt SFX white is a high quality power supply that's going to provide you with reliable and stable power to the components inside of your computer. The GIGABYTE B550 Vision DP is a really good motherboard that will support AMD CPUs, and it has an extremely high quality PCB design with a solid power delivery system, providing stability and longevity for the components inside of your computer. It also has a good amount of connectivity options with two M.2 NVMe slots, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C ports, and a 2.5 gigabyte LAN port, which is going to provide you with fast transfer speeds and a reliable network option. The Corsair Dominator RGB is RAM made by a well-trusted company making high-quality PC parts, and just like other things that Corsair makes, this is definitely aimed at people for gaming, but to be completely honest, I've never noticed that much of a difference when it comes down to the faster speed RAM. It really just comes down to what you like on a visual standpoint and what's going to actually fit your build. The NZXT Kraken Z63 white version is an all-in-one liquid cooler AIO that provides efficient cooling for the CPU. And as with most AIOs, will end up coming with a couple of fans to provide the airflow that you can expect from a company like this. It also has a large LCD display on the pump head that shows the temperature, fan speed, and other information, which is always a really nice bonus when it comes down to stuff like this, because you can just glance over at your computer and see the temperature of what's actually going on there. The Lian Li Uni SL140 fans are going to provide you the airflow that you can expect from a company like Lian Li. They have a white color scheme that's going to fit the white PC builds, and they do have customizable RGB lighting that can be synced with other components inside of your computer. They're also very, very quiet, and were definitely designed for people into gaming, and those of you that are going to be putting the PC under a load at such a consistent basis.